that in the Philippines, due to limited resources of toys of Filipino people, they usually come up on inventing games without the need of anything but the players themselves. With the ability of a real human to think and act makes the game more challenging and interesting. Because it is a tradition for Filipinos to play on bigger and spacious area, so most games are usually played outside their house. Some games are played or held during fiestas in the provinces.
Sabi ko tama na pero kung sabi mo sa akin umilit ka pa ng isa.
Alright, okay, the history of Buwan Buwan. The game was rooted in the Philippines legend of Bakunawa, a giant sea serpent that would swallow the moon, causing a lunar eclipse. Ancient people would make noise during an eclipse to scare the creatures away. The movements of Bakunawa serve as geomantic calendar system for ancient Filipinos and were part of shamanistic rituals of Babaylan.
Hello! So fun fact, did you know that the Buwan Buwan is a traditional Filipino game that enacts the lunar eclipse? Players draw a circle on the ground representing as the moon, and players must stay inside it. Meanwhile, the other player serves as the Bakunawa, a mythical giant sea serpent who would eat the moon. But he may not enter the circle. But also, he must touch the other players in order to switch places.
Materials to be used in this game are chalk, charcoal, or even in the sand. You just need to trace a circle. The mechanics of a game. First, a circle is drawn on the ground representing the moon. Second, all players must stay inside the circle and must avoid getting ousted. Third, one player acts as the Bakunawa, the mythical giant sea serpent who would eat the moon. Note, he is not allowed to enter the circle, but must touch another player who is inside it. Fourth, the ousted player becomes the Bakunawa or the tag player in the next round. Note, the player's clothing or hair is touched by the Bakunawa, he or she is ousted.
The game serves as a way for children to connect with their cultural heritage by reenacting a traditional myth. It was a popular outdoor game that fostered physical activity and socialization before the rise of digital entertainment.